Welcome to Autoserve and our Guaranteed Maintenance mini-series. Over the next few moments, we will take a look at EndGuard. We'll look at what it is and what it means for you as part of your Guaranteed Maintenance package. EndGuard is here to help you avoid potentially costly damage return charges at the end of your lease. If you return a vehicle to the lease company with damage, you'll usually be charged more to repair it compared to having the vehicle repaired prior to returning the vehicle. Autoserve's EndGuard facility allows you to submit images and videos of the vehicle damage via our website for our technician to review. They'll review the images to see if the damage falls within or outside of the BVRLA Fair Wear and Tear guidelines. If we believe the damage does fall outside the guidelines, we can refer your vehicle to one of our selected repair partners for a quote for you to approve and pay before booking your vehicle in to be repaired. EndGuard can help with scuffs, scratches, alloy wheel damage, chips or cracks to glass, bodywork dents and missing parts. To make use of our EndGuard facility, visit our website and complete the EndGuard submission form. You can find this in the contact section. Remember, whether it's an accident, breakdown or an urgent tyre puncture, we're here for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We're just a phone call away. If you have any questions, please contact your account manager, your broker, or give our operations team a call. Thanks for watching. Ensure to check out the rest of our Guaranteed Maintenance mini-series. Goodbye for now.